Here it is a bottle. We have taken a bottle and we have to put 3 holes on that bottle. And our experiment name is intensity of pressure. We have to check the intensity of pressure. Okay.
Start.
Now we are going to start our experimentation. We just fill first bottle and then we look out. Here is the 3 marking. Look at here. 3 markings are there. We have put on over here 3 holes. Okay. So now we will fill the bottle first. Now you can see the intensity of pressure. You can see here intensity of pressure. Which hole is given a maximum range? You can check there. Which one is given a maximum range? Check. Now check which one is having maximum range. All having 3 having same intensity of range. Now the raise of a water level is also going decreasing and point 1 is going start decreasing. पहले का डिक्रीज हुआ है स्टार्ट होने. अभी देखो पहले का रेंज खत्म हो गया है. वाटर लेवल नीचे आ रहा है. इस दोनों का रेंज किसका ज़्यादा है? 0.3 का रेंज सबसे ज़्यादा है. व्हाट इज दैट मीनिंग? इसका मीनिंग क्या है? इंटेंसिटी ऑफ दैट थर्ड पॉइंट इज हैविंग मैक्सिमम प्रेशर ओवर हियर. तीसरे पॉइंट का प्रेशर सबसे ज़्यादा है एज कम्पेयर टू सेकेंड एंड 1. क्यों ज़्यादा है? यहाँ पे दिख रहा है रेंज वो मैक्सिमम कवर कर रहा है. इसका मतलब क्या है? इंटेंसिटी ऑफ प्रेशर इज इंक्रीजेस टुवर्ड द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. समझ में आ रहा है? प्रेशर का इंटेंसिटी कहाँ पे इंक्रीज होता है? समझ में आया? क्या फिर से दिखा है? नाउ यू कैन चेक वंस अगेन. Now check here. All 3 points are over here. Why third having maximum intensity? As we move towards downwards, intensity of pressure is increases. जैसे जैसे नीचे जाएंगे वैसे वैसे प्रेशर का इंटेंसिटी बढ़ता चला जाएगा पानी के अंदर में. ओके. तो सेकंड पॉइंट पे इंटेंसिटी कम है. देखो यहाँ पे गिर रहा है सेकंड का. थर्ड का कहाँ पे गिर रहा है? यहाँ पे गिर रहा है. मतलब क्या है? इस पॉइंट थर्ड पे प्रेशर का इंटेंसिटी क्या है? ज़्यादा है. समझ में आया? गेटिंग? A rate of increase of pressure in vertical downward direction must be equal to specific weight of that liquid at that point. क्या होता है? रेट ऑफ इंक्रीज ऑफ प्रेशर इन वर्टिकल डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन मस्ट बी इक्वल टू किसके बराबर होता है? स्पेसिफिक वेट ऑफ दैट लिक्विड. ओके. स्पेसिफिक वेट ऑफ दैट लिक्विड के बराबर होता है. समझ में आया? ठीक है. पॉज करो. नाउ लुक एट हियर. वी हैव सीन दिस इज द पॉइंट नंबर होल नंबर फर्स्ट. दिस इज सेकंड and this is third. After the experimentation we got conclusion that point 1 having minimum pressure. So pressure at a point 1 is a lesser. Point 2 having higher pressure than P1. And which point having maximum pressure? Point number third. So ultimately here we get point 3 having maximum pressure. So can we write here intensity of pressure at a point 3 is larger than intensity of pressure at a point 2 and larger than point 1. So maximum intensity we are getting at a point 3. So what you have concluded over here, if you draw the pressure diagram, how will you get pressure diagram? Pressure diagram like this. Intensity of pressure is continuously increasing towards the bottom of that tank. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if I ask you a question, what will be the intensity of pressure over here at the bottom of the tank, which is larger than 0.3? Yes, definitely, yes. Because on that point here we will get intensity is higher, and that intensity is nothing but pressure is equal to rho g h. So depends upon what? Intensity of pressure depends on height. How much is the height for here? This one is the h1. How much is the height for point number 2? This is nothing but h2. And how much over here? This is h3. So what you understand from here, if height is increases, intensity of pressure also start increasing. So that's why point 3 having getting a maximum intensity of pressure, and range of that is nothing but P3 over here, P2 still here, and P1 only over here. Okay, understood?
Yes.
So now conclusion, rate of increase of pressure in the vertical downward direction must be equal to what? Must be equal to specific weight of that fluid at that point. Specific weight is nothing but W is equal to rho into G, where rho is the density of that water or liquid in kg per meter cube. Okay, and W is the specific weight of that fluid. So rate of increase of pressure in vertical downward direction must be equal to specific weight of that liquid. So pressure is equal to rho GH. This is your hydrostatic law. Okay. So thank you very much.